Hey everyone, welcome to Final Garage. I'm Mike. This is my garage. Hope everyone has today. The project today is going on. Anyway, welcome to Finally Garage. I'm Mike. It's been a few days since I've worked on the car. I had started on some of the underdash sort of removal of all the components under the dash, and I'll show you that here in a moment. But the temperatures in Las Vegas finally got up, into our summer range this week. 110 degrees ish, and the garage was just completely, uninhabitable. So hot. That, and I had a friend in town, and for some reason he didn't seem to think that watching me work on my GTO was an exciting time. So yeah, you know who you are. Anyway, so one of the things I did in the last couple days is I rigged up this temporary sort of setup or trial setup for my swamp cooler to see if pulling air from the outside would be more efficient than just running it on the inside, which is what I was doing it earlier. So far, it seems like it is. It only gets a certain amount. There's only a certain amount of cooling it's going to do, right now it's about 93 outside, and it's about 81 in here in the garage. So we'll see how that goes, but I think I'll run it in the morning and basically see how well it does. Anyway, enough talk. Let's get to work. So, as you saw in the last video, I got the bolts all out, or the nuts all off to this heater box, all except one, which is way down in here somewhere. And I guess I could wrestle around and get in there and figure it out, scrape off the muck and get a wrench up in there and get that last bolt out. But I don't wanna. So what I'm gonna do instead is I'm gonna turn to this fender. And I'm gonna start taking off the front fenders. They have to come off anyway. It'll be a little different, it'll change the scenery for me, and take this off, and then I can get to that. I should be able to get that bolt easily, but we'll see how it goes taking this fender off. Well, gang, that should do it for this one. How to remove your heater box in 2 easy steps. First, remove the front end off your car. Second, remove your heater box. Yeah, so I think next video, I'm actually going to shift gears a little bit. I'll remove this other fender, off camera. I don't think there's going to be anything new to show there. So I think on the next video, I'm going to start working on some of this window trim, getting the window trim all pulled off. That's kind of an interesting process. Yeah, and you see today's t-shirt is 618 Fishing. This is a guy that is a Midwestern guy that goes out to different local fishing holes around him, and he sees what he can catch. And frankly, he has a lot of fun doing it, so I enjoy watching him. Anyway, that should do it for this video. Thanks everyone for watching. As always, if you want to see more of these, subscribe, and definitely like if you like what you're seeing. And I'll see you next time.